What's up? What's up? Silent Silver in the house. Hoping wish everyone's doing well. Let's see. Poker chip right here. Do you guys know what time is it? Do you guys know what time is it? That's right. It's that time again for bam ammo can sticker. Yeah, it's been quite a while. I haven't done an ammo can stickers. So who's gonna be? Who's gonna be? Who we gonna add on the ammo can sticker? Can you guys guess? Alright, well, without further ado, let me show you who it's gonna be. Bam, there you go. Stacking Surfer. Right, I'll put you somewhere over here. Instead of straight, I'll put you on like an angle since you're surfing. That'll look nice. That'll look nice. Alright. Yep. So let's do that. Make adjustment here. Okay. Something like that. Yeah. I think that'll be cool right there. Alright, so let's do this. Let me tilt this. And see if I can peel the sticker. So it takes a while. That's just won't. Just can't peel it. Really? These things. I can see the line. Wow. Well, it took me a while right there. Sorry about that. So, hang on. Should go like that. Oh yeah. There you go. Voila. There you go. Stacking Surfer. Got you. Got you. Added all my ammo box. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you guys have stickers and you'd like, send it towards my area, send it to me so I could add you guys on to my ammo box stickers collection. Okay. Still got plenty of canvas right here, plenty more room. Right. There you go. Yes, if you guys have not, please check out Stacking Surfer. Let me see. I don't have. Oh, I can't switch camera with this. So, I guess I just have to move my camera. There it is. There it is. Sorry if it's gonna be moving. Camera moving. There you go. There you go. Stacking Surfer. Okay. So, yep. Make sure to check his channel out. Subscribe. hit that bell notification. I know he's already at 10.5k subscribers, but of course everybody needs a little more. Okay, so till next time, who it's gonna be. So if you guys want your stickers, your channel stickers to be added on, okay, email me. All right, my email information's in my channel. All right, it's silentsilver9999 at gmail.com. You could email me so I could exchange information as far as where to mail it. All right, so till next time, just want to say, there you go, Silent Silver, want to say thank you, be happy. All right, peace and love to you all. Okay, peace. Hit that thumbs up. Okay, check Stacking Surfer.